$20 for 5 pounds of mussels at Costco. Let's give it a try. First, let's get all of these cleaned up. With your hand, remove all of these string-like material. This is called the beard and it's what the mussel uses it to attach to surfaces. Also, make sure to remove any cracked ones or ones that stay open even if you squeeze them. Like this guy, he closes up, so he's good to go. I had about 16 bad ones, but the yield is pretty good. Let's make mussels in white wine and garlic. Simple and delicious. About a tablespoon per pound. Into that, our red onions, you can use shallots, and our garlic.
It's gonna help draw the moisture out of the vegetables.
Cook this down until it becomes soft, but not burnt. The red onion should be translucent and soft. Into that, 2 cups of white wine and bring it to a boil. Add in your herbs at this time. I'm using mostly parsley. Keep your eye on the pot because this goes fast. This was done in about 6 to 7 minutes. You'll know when they're fully cooked when they open. It's actually raising the lid here. The kitchen smells amazing. Let's give it a taste. Make sure to get some of that broth. Here it is up close. This kind of reminds me of, let's give it a taste.
Dip it in the broth. Get the sweetness from the red onions and you get the aroma from the garlic. That's wonderful. Broth. Pretty much like 99% of the alcohol burns off, so you're not going to get wasted. It's almost like a milky clam broth. That's really nice. It's salty, taste of the ocean. You got the aromatics from the garlic and the red onions. The wonderful mussel flavor. I wish I had garlic bread. It would be perfect companion to this. It didn't open up, so I'm gonna toss this. 2 thumbs way up. I think for $20 you could easily feed, 6 to 7 people. It's a great deal. Thanks.